Hi, good morning. Once again, this is Bonnie of Polar Properties Davao. So, nandito po tayo ngayon sa area ng Oak Ridge Residential Estate. So, this is the area. So, this is the development site. So, it will be developed within 24 months. So, this is really good investment in Davao because as we know, Davao is the safest city in the world. Now, so kung makita natin, nandito po tayo sa elevated area. So, walang baha po dito. So from the airport, it will only take around 30 minutes. So okay, so sa ngayon, kukuha po tayo ng time, papalabas po tayo ng area going to Panakan and Buhangin area. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Cut na.